Hey friends, if you wish to add line numbers in Microsoft Word, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So here's what you have to do. Go to the Layout tab. In the Page Setup section, there's something called as Line Numbers. Click on it and then you can select line numbers. Now, the first option is continuous, which means it will keep on continuing with the number till the end of the document. The next option is to restart at each page, which means that it will restart from from each page onward. So it depends on your requirements. Now there is an option here which says suppress or current paragraph. Now the line numbers will not start at the paragraph itself, especially if you have a title. It will start from the next para, and then you can restart at each section. So there's something called as a section break. Wherever a section break is added, you can restart the line numbers from that section break. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.